So we have new arrival 2025 Kia Soluto 1.4 EX automatic gas, elegant at timeless design, clean at classy sedan look, hindi mukhang luma kahit ilang taon nyo na nagagamit. Perfect pang daily drive, family car o pang business. So simple pero social, pang daily driving na hindi ka mapapagod tignan. At kagandahan po dito, fuel efficient, 1.4 engine, gas, tipid sa gasolina, ideal sa city driving at long drive. Mababa ang maintenance cost. So sulit na sulit yung gas o so pang araw-araw na biyahe. Kagandahan po dyan, lalo na pagka smooth automatic transmission. Ibig sabihin, comfortable i-drive kahit traffic, walang jerking, relax ang driving, beginner friendly at pang family. So relax ka mag-drive kahit nasa EDSA ka. Spacious and comfortable interior. Maluwag ang legroom sa harap at likod. Comfortable seats, tahimik sa loob habang umaandar. Hindi lang driver yung comfy dito, mga ma'am and sir, no? Pati passengers. Kagandahan po dito, complete EX features. Ibig sabihin, depende yan sa unit. Pero usually kasama dito yung touchscreen infotainment, Bluetooth, USB connectivity, steering wheel controls, power window, and side mirrors. So complete features without overpaying po mga ma'am and sir. Safety you can trust. Bakit? Dual airbags, ABS, stable handling. Kaya simple yung sedan na to pero may peace of mind. So sulit na sulit yung presyo ninyo lalo sa mga pre-owned Advantage. Mas mura kaysa sa brand new. Same comfort and performance. Mas mataas ang value for money. Parang brand new feels pero mas tipid sa budget. Kaya perfect fit po ito lalo sa mga first time car owners, small family, daily office business use, budget friendly, lalo sa mga buyers na gusto ng sedan. So kung naghahanap kayo ng reliable, fuel efficient at comfortable sedan, itong Kia Soluto na to na 1.4 EX automatic is definitely worth considering. Simple, practical at sulit.